Welcome back to the Tech Frontier. Today, we're reviewing the top 5 action cameras of 2023. We'll be separating the products into 5 categories, including the best affordable, best premium, and best overall. So make sure to watch the whole video to find the best product for you. We've linked all the products in the description so you can find the best prices available. So make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech reviews. Let's get started. First up, if you're looking for an affordable action camera that can do it all, the GoPro Hero 8 is our best pick. With its streamlined design, the Hero 8 is more pocketable and the lens is now 2x more impact resistant. Plus, it has 3 levels of stabilization, Hypersmooth 2.0, so you can pick the best option for whatever you do. And with the optional media mod, you can add quick loading accessories like flashes, microphones, LCD screens, and more. Time Warp 2.0 is another great feature of the Hero 8. It allows you to capture super stabilized time-lapse videos while you move through an activity. And with Live Burst, you can record the moments 1.5 seconds before and after your shot, so you can choose the best single frame for the perfect photo or video. Overall, the GoPro Hero 8 is a great action camera that offers a lot of features for an affordable price. The only downside is that the battery life isn't the best, so you may need to carry extra batteries if you plan on using it for extended periods of time. Next up is our best high-end product. But first, if you love audiobooks, make sure to grab 2 Audible audiobooks for free by using the link in the description and creating a free trial account. This is an offer for the Tech Frontier viewers, so make sure to get it while it's available. Now let's get back to the video. Our best high-end pick is the DJI Osmo Action. This versatile action camera is packed with advanced technology that makes capturing your adventures a breeze. What sets it apart from other similar products is its dual screens. The vivid front screen lets you frame yourself effortlessly in any setting, while the back screen provides a crystal-clear, hyper-responsive display. Plus, the rock-steady technology combines EIS with complex algorithms to deliver stable, shake-free footage no matter how intense the action gets. You can also capture 8x slow motion with 1080p resolution and 240 frames per second, and time-lapse for stunning, easy-to-achieve results. The Osmo Action is waterproof up to 11 meters and temperature-resistant down to -10 degrees Celsius, making it the perfect companion for any adventure. All in all, the DJI Osmo Action is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-end action camera. Next, our best premium pick is the Sony RX02. This matchbox-sized camera packs a punch with its 15.3 MP RAW up to 16 FPS continuous and interval rec. For time-lapse, 24mm f4 Zeiss Tessar-T lens, and 1-inch, 1.0 type, stacked back illuminated Exmor RS CMOS sensor. It also has a durable duralumin body that is water/shock/crush proof, and a battery life of up to 240 shots or 120 minutes. Plus, it has internal 4K movie with pro features and image stabilization, and a focus range of up to 50 centimeters from the front of the lens. The Sony RX02 is a great choice for anyone looking for a powerful, durable, and compact camera. It has all the features you need to capture stunning images and videos, and its small size makes it easy to take with you wherever you go. The battery life is impressive, and the focus range is great for capturing close-up shots. Plus, the water/shock/crush proof body ensures that your camera will stay safe in any environment. All in all, the Sony RX02 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality camera. Next up, if you're looking for the best value pick in action cameras, the GoPro Hero 9 is the one for you. With its 5K video resolution, 20MP photo clarity, and Hypersmooth 3.0 stabilization, you can capture stunning footage and photos with ease. The Hero 9 also features a front display and rear touchscreen for easy framing and intuitive camera control, plus live streaming and webcam capabilities. And with its rugged and waterproof design, you can take it anywhere and shoot in any conditions. The one thing that sets the Hero 9 apart from other action cameras is its Time Warp 3.0 feature. This allows you to record mesmerizing time-lapse scenes as you move, making it perfect for capturing your adventures. Overall, the GoPro Hero 9 is an excellent action camera that offers great value for money. The only downside is that it can be a bit pricey for some people. But if you're looking for a reliable and feature-packed action camera, the Hero 9 is definitely worth considering. Last but not least, our best overall pick is the Insta360 RS. This camera is a game-changer for anyone looking to capture stunningly detailed wide-angle videos and endless creative possibilities. With the 4K boost lens and 5.7K 360 lens, you can easily switch between the two for the perfect shot. Plus, the flow state stabilization ensures buttery smooth image stabilization no matter what lens you use. You can also capture crisp 48MP photos, ultra-detailed 6K widescreen videos and vibrant HDR action videos with the new sensor. And the invisible selfie stick feature makes it easy to get drone-like footage and third-person perspectives without ruining the view. All in all, the Insta360 RS is an amazing camera that will take your photography and videography to the next level. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. All the products we discussed are linked in the description for the best prices available. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tech reviews and tips. See you next time.